Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this Forecourt film for this absolutely stunning 2017 Mercedes-Benz A250. The full model name is the A250 4MATIC AMG Line Premium Plus, which is a bit of a mouthful, but covers off a lot of the things like the specification and stuff like that on the car. So it is powered by a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 215 horsepower. Essentially, this is Mercedes' answer to the Golf GTI, so it's very, very similar sort of power output, and again, as mentioned, featuring the a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. This particular car, 4MATIC, meaning all-wheel drive as well. Also fitted with an automatic gearbox, and the Premium Plus package levels on here denote the level of specification that the car has got, and this particular car is absolutely loaded with spec, also with a number of additional factory options on top of that as well. Some of those we'll go through in a second. The condition is absolutely beautiful. The car itself has covered 62,000 miles. It's finished in mountain grey. And going around the bodywork and things like that, there's barely anything to point out. Obviously, a few stone chips, as you would expect, for the mileage, but certainly nothing excessive. And the rest of the car has been incredibly well looked after. All four of the alloy wheels are completely unmarked. These alloy wheels here are specific to the A250. Really nice design with the diamond cut. And then, like I said, you've got the mountain grey metallic paint all the way around, and then the sort of the dual grille along the front. But yeah, very, very nicely done. And then a lot of the A250s have all got the red detailing. It's, again, not too much, just really nice and subtle. Sport badging to the side. Particular car's got privacy glass at the back, and then you also get the sort of red section down there in the rear diffuser, the twin pipes and everything like that as well. But a very, very good looking car. I love this shape of A250. You've got some really nice design, like the rear grills there, the extended rear spoiler. It's a car that's aged particularly well, I think, inside and out. In terms of specification on the outside of the car, we've got the LED high performance adaptive lights with high beam assist. This particular car has also got adaptive cruise control, and you can see the sensors up here in the windscreen for all of that. It has the rear camera. It also has front and rear parking sensors as well. So it's a very, very well spec car all the way around, and then we'll sort of talk through some of the internal bits and pieces as well. We'll just start at the back and then I'll work our way through on the inside. The back has obviously been protected by a genuine Mercedes load liner, plenty of space in the back there, and again, all exceptionally well cared for and kept. No marks to the backs of the bumper there, no scratch marks or loading marks or anything like that. This particular car has keyless entry as well, so as long as the keys are in your pocket, you can just put your hand onto the door handle to unlock it. To lock the car, just put your thumb on the button there, and then just hand on the back of the handle to open it. One of the things I absolutely love about this particular car, I'll just go slightly wider on there, is this beautiful interior. This has got the AMG Exclusive package, as well as also having the full leather. This is Sahara beige, I believe, and with the black, and then you've got the contrast stitch all the way along there as well. But if you look up onto the dashboard, wonderful. Everywhere you touch has got premium finish to it. So you've got the leather topped dashboard here, again with the stitching that runs all the way throughout. Across on the doors, again, beautiful contrast stitch in perfect condition. I mean, absolutely spot on. All of the plastics, all of the leathers, beautifully clean, no scuff marks, no scratch marks at all. Really, really nice. Driver's bolster looks like new. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful in here. Look at the steering wheel. No nasty sort of shiny elements to it. It's got that lovely matte feel and finish to it. It is literally like a brand new car inside. Absolutely stunning. We've got the Illuminated Mercedes-Benz door sills here. Again, no scratch marks here whatsoever. Absolutely perfect. All of the carpets in lovely condition and very, very nice indeed. Through to the back. Same thing, it's got a tiny little indent here in the leather just from where a child seat has obviously been put in. That will start to come back naturally now that that's been removed. So that should we'll also just apply a little bit of heat to that, and that will bring that back. But that will be in perfect condition. Despite there being a child seat in the back, obviously previously there's no kick marks to the backs of the seats or anything like that. You can just about see the LED lighting coming down through from the top. That's all changeable as well. You can see the LED lights just behind the doors there as well. They're actually currently changing colour. So very, very premium finish. I love these seats. Obviously it's got the integrated headrests and everything like that there as well. We've also got a storage package, so luggage nets and things like that on the backs of the seats. We also have the memory package, so electrically adjustable seats for the driver and the passenger, and also the Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system on the inside as well. So it sounds absolutely great. Because it's keyless entry, you've also got the start-stop button just there. So when you're in the car, you just put your foot on the brake and press that to start. Just jump in. We've got paddle shift gear change, automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. Across in the wing mirrors there, you can just about make out the little triangle. And that's basically the lane departure warning, as this car has got the driver's assistance package on it as well. So I think if we start it up, that might actually light up just so you can see it. There you go. So that will warn you when a car is coming up in your blind spot. As mentioned, 62,478 miles. We've also got the adaptive cruise here, so if the car will automatically slow down and follow the car in front, and you can make adjustments to how closely the car follows, and also the speed limit that you've set for the car as well. So again, another full option on there. And if we come down to here, even this is actually a soft finish on here. We've not seen this before. Normally you get like it's more of a kind of carbon style one, but then that would be quite hard. But this is just lovely. Like I said, everywhere you touch is very, very premium. Really, really nice and just beautifully cared for. You can just see the colour of the leather there coming through. It really is absolutely lovely everywhere. Dual zone climate control, so separate temperatures for driver and passenger. Again, another upgrade for the car. And then we also have this beautiful panoramic glass sunroof. It's a tilt and slide system with an electric blind that comes across the top. So that will open up there. All moves nice and quickly. And then the electric blind that comes across as a blackout blind. All very, very nice indeed. Full COMAND satellite navigation for the whole of Western Europe. It also takes full postcodes, so nice and easy to use. It's all controlled by this wheel down here. We've also got Apple CarPlay installed on the car. We have FM and AM stations, Bluetooth audio streaming, or like I said, most people are probably going to be using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as it's the sort of favoured system. We've also got a full control panel for the car, so you can make changes to the interior ambient lighting. Got 12 different colour settings there, and you can change the brightness and everything like that as well. So it's all very good, and just like the way that the menus are laid out, all just feels extremely modern and very, very nice indeed. What else have we got? Options. So that's your CarPlay, Android Auto, and then obviously just standard Bluetooth as well for telephone calls. Further on down, heated seats for the driver and passenger, automatic start-stop, and then you've also got the your parking system here as well. The car features a very high definition rear camera with rear guidance lines, as you can see. That all works very nicely, and it's also covered on the back. It comes down, a little flap comes down, and the camera comes out to protect it from mucky roads. And then we've also got dynamic select down here as well, so you can make changes for different driving modes. That will also pop up here on the main screen. And this car has also been upgraded with adaptive dampers, so we can come in here and actually make changes to all of the setups, so you can have different, here we go, different driving modes, but also make changes and have the adaptive dampers set to comfort, auto sport as well for a firmer ride. So it's got absolutely everything. I don't think there's many things missing off here whatsoever. It is absolutely stunning. I hope you found this short video useful. This really is an absolutely stunning car. Like I said, completely fully loaded in terms of specification. It's been Mercedes-Benz serviced from day one all the way through. It's actually been held on a Mercedes servicing package. It has only had one owner from new, and it's just an absolutely stunning car throughout. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange to value, then please do let us know through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. Be more than happy to help, and would love to be able to show you this beautiful car in person. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.